what you want can and will happen for you. Throughout this entire video today, I want you to just blindly trust. Have faith that whatever you want to change in your life will change. And trust is one of the hardest things I found for myself to develop because everything about me was fearful for so long. Fear is just distrust. It's you believing things aren't going to happen, you fearing the worst, and I feared the worst. I would always go down that rabbit hole of the worst case scenario. And when you're constantly thinking like that, you're in fight or flight mode. You're preparing for a battle. Your mind doesn't relax, your body doesn't relax, and you don't believe things are going to work out. When you allow yourself to trust, and when you build that trust, everything will feel so much easier. Everything in your life will feel in flow. And I want to help you develop trust and belief, that faith that what you want will come to you, what you want to change will happen. Think about when you buy something on Amazon. You find something you like, you hit the purchase button, and you don't give it another thought. You just trust that it's going to show up on time. You're not constantly checking and looking to make sure it's been shipped and where is it and what time is it going to arrive. You just know, you believe that Amazon's going to do their job. And why? Because this is what Amazon does. They ship and package things all day long, and 99.9% of the time they arrive. And so you let go, you don't give it another thought. You trust that your package is going to arrive. And that's what trust feels like. You put in your order, you do the work, you set yourself up to succeed, and then you trust that you will. Hello, FedEx truck. Look, there's a delivery right there. There's a sign. But jokes aside, trusting, it really is you just letting go of control and knowing that things are going to happen for your best. And sometimes we don't realize that. Sometimes it feels like things aren't going your way. And this has happened to me many times in my life. I mean, when I got in that car accident 5 years ago, someone drove into me and I was injured and I was freaking out. And I just had this feeling like this is for your highest good. Even though you're in pain, even though this is like this huge problem in your life, you are going to be okay. And this is working out for you for your highest good. And it did. I'm a completely different person now. I had to go through that growth. I had to go through that injury, that pain. I had to let all of the fear inside me come to the surface so I could face it, so I could look at it, so I could realize that I was being fearful all the time. I was letting fear control me. And I didn't like living like that. I hated it, in fact. And all this car accident did was bring all of those things out of me so that I could release them, so I could move on from them. And so even if something feels like a big problem, something that, doesn't feel like it's for your highest good in the moment, years later, months later, you will look back and you'll go, oh yeah, that was really a pivotal, helpful moment in my life. It was helping me get to where I want to go. And we can't always see it in the moment. We can only see it looking back. I was in a relationship, and I remember very vividly my sister sitting there with me and going, well, you're just gonna leave and hope that you meet someone else? Like, her face was like, you think that? And I was like, yeah, I mean, there's got to be someone out there for me. There's got to be something better than this pain I'm experiencing right now. And so I trust I will find someone. I'll find the perfect person. And I just know this is what I need to do. I need to just leave this relationship. And then a year and a half later, I did meet my perfect partner. But I had to trust and believe that he existed. Or else I would have stayed in an unhappy relationship for who knows how long. And some people do that. Some people stay in relationships out of fear. Some people stay in jobs out of fear. Some people don't push themselves because they don't trust that something better is coming or something better is next. And I want you to really work on developing that trust, because when you trust that things are always working out for you. I'm sure I've said that so many times in my meditation and videos, but if you really believe those words, everything is always working out for me, That is such a beautiful, freeing feeling. You feel like the universe has always got your back. You're not floating in space. There's a net. There's someone to catch you. And you can believe it's God or the universe or your higher self. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you believe and you trust. You have that faith. And when you have this point of view that everything's always working out for you, life is so much more beautiful. You can be more present. You're not constantly anxious about the future or worrying. You can actually relax, enjoy today, enjoy your family, enjoy whatever career or job or thing you're working on, creative outlet. It doesn't have like this hold on you. You actually are just present and you're grateful and you just feel, what's the word? It's just like almost like a warm hug. That might sound cheesy, but it feels like that. It just feels supported and you feel loved and you feel like life has my back. The universe has my back. I trust it. I trust that something better is coming if this isn't working out. I trust that even if I lost this money, now I've learned the lesson. So I'm going to make even more money. Or if I lost my job, it's for my best because there's an even more amazing job. Or if you broke up with your partner or they broke up with you, it's for your best. You enjoy life so much more when you can just surrender, let go, and trust. It's like the free fall. You lean back and you just trust someone's got your back. And I love this feeling of trust. It's something I've had to practice and develop. Because even when I have a problem now, I just go, okay, this is happening for my highest good. So let's just keep going through the problem. Let's get through it. I'm not going to dwell on it. I'm not going to be up all night worrying about it. I'm just going to go through the problem. I'm going to go through my life and I'm going to get to where I'm supposed to go. So I really hope that this video was helpful for you because I know it would have helped me, a previous version of me who was fearful, freaking out, and not trusting. So I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.